Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Money Market Update, number 185 for Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. And here's another one as well, Exxon Mobil. Okay, so we're kind of curious because we've seen little bits of maneuvering in the price of oil. Okay, we saw $60 certainly for West Texas has been a bit of a level. We bounced off it this morning because of, I think, OPEC cuts. But there's a couple of reasons I'm looking at this. This is the monthly chart of Exxon, and really probably what you can see is for the majority of the last 3 years. Let me just get the old drawing to majority of the last 3 years. Okay, we have been basically trading really between $100 and $120. See how we've been doing that. Now, of course, if you're a range bound trader, so clearly bought there years ago on 100 and stuff. But what you can see is that that 100 to 120 zone is where we've been. So if you're a range trader, trading that for you. One of the reasons I'm curious and interested in is this last month. Okay, of course we'll start the new month, and the weekend. Not only was I doing my normal analysis, but I also do my monthly move analysis. There's an awful lot of inside bar pin bars on the monthly charts. We're going to look at them on the dollar in a minute. We also had a good deal of those carrying on here again, and we've got that there. And it's a case of, is this a case that, from here as a shorter term, are we coming back to a weekly 50, which it's not really been trading around for, since what, that 21, 22, for 3 years plus. Are we going to sort of drift towards that? Does that 100 just become the magnet we drag down to? And if so, what do we do when we get there? Okay, does it support? All right, does it find support here, as it has done lots of times, okay, previously to push it back to 120? Or does it break it? Okay, if it breaks it, I'd say that's very significant, okay? So once again, it's, watching how that inside pin bar blows out, and as I said, my bias would be for it to drift its way to 100 and then decide what it wants to do there.